Imagine your room is totally messy. Your mom walks in. She sighs. She says, "You always lose your keys." Or wait, what if she says, "You are always losing your keys"?
Ooh, yeah. There is a huge difference there.
Right. One is just a cold, hard fact. But the other means she's super annoyed and, well, you were probably grounded.
Exactly. It completely changes the mood.
Welcome to today's deep dive. We are so glad you're here with us. Today is all about English grammar. We are on a mission to master Unit 3.
That's right. We are breaking down the exact difference between I am doing and I do. It's, a classic grammar puzzle.
It really is. I mean, grammar is kind of like a secret code. And today, we are going to crack it together.
I love that. Think of me as your friendly guide today, because using the right verb tense, it's like painting a picture. It helps you paint a perfectly clear picture of what is happening in the world.
Which is so important. I remember staring at worksheets in school. Both options always looked fine to me.
Yeah, like I rain or it is raining. It gets confusing.
Totally. So we want to look at why these rules exist, not just, memorize a boring list.
Right. So let's start with the absolute basics. I want you to picture a girl. Her name is Maya.
Okay, Maya. Got it.
We have two different pictures of Maya. Let's look at the first photo. Maya is in her kitchen right now. She is cooking pasta. Look at the stove. The water is boiling.
Oh, okay. So she is cooking.
Yeah.
And the water is boiling. That's the present continuous tense, right?
You got it. We use present continuous when something is happening right this very second, like around now. It's temporary.
Like a snapshot.
Yes, exactly like a snapshot.
You take a photo on your phone, snap. It only shows what's happening right in that one split second.
That is the perfect way to think of it. Present continuous is your snapshot tense. And
Right.
You will usually hear clue words like now or today, or someone might say, look.
Right, like, listen, the dog is barking. Snap. Just right now. But what about the second picture of Maya?
The second picture isn't a snapshot. It's a piece of paper. It's Maya's weekly schedule. Yeah. It says she cooks every evening, and it says she reads before bed.
Cooks and reads. That's the present simple tense.
Exactly. We use present simple for things that happen in general, like routines or things that are always true. It's permanent.
Okay, so if the first one is a quick snapshot, this second one is like a calendar.
A calendar.
It's hanging on the wall. It shows the big picture.
I love that, the calendar tense. And, the clue words change for this one, too. You'll hear words like always, or usually, or never, or every day.
Makes sense. Because if I say she reads every evening, she might not be reading right this second.
Right. She could be, like, riding a bike right now.
But the general truth on the calendar is that she reads every evening.
Exactly. So context changes everything. We can talk about the exact same topic, but use totally different tenses.
Wait, really? The same topic?
Yep. Let's do some matching pairs to prove it. Let's talk about water. Here is a scientific fact. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, that's a general fact that goes on the calendar.
Yeah.
So present simple.
Right. But now imagine you are in the kitchen. The pot on the stove is bubbling over.
Emergency.
Exactly. You yell, the water is boiling, turn it off.
Snap, present continuous, is boiling. Because it's happening right in front of me.
You're getting it. Let's try another one. Languages. She speaks French.
Speaks. That's present simple. It's a general ability on her calendar. Even if she's sleeping, she still speaks French.
Perfect. But what if we see her talking to a tourist on the street?
Then it's happening right now. Snapshot. She is speaking French to that tourist.
Exactly. Let's do one more. Weather. It doesn't rain in summer.
General fact about the climate.
Yeah.
Calendar. Present simple.
But if you want to play outside right now and you look out the window.
I see dry grass. I say, it isn't raining now. Snapshot tense.
Boom. You've got the rules down.
Okay, but hold on. I want to push back a little bit.
Sure. What's up?
Facts and emergencies are easy. But what about real life? Like jobs?
Oh, good question.
Let's say my friend has a permanent job. He works at a hospital. But today there's a huge snowstorm. So he is working from home just for today. What do I do there?
That is the perfect time for the timeline test.
The timeline test.
Yeah. You just ask yourself, is this temporary or is it permanent?
Oh, okay. So his job at the hospital is his permanent career.
Right. So you use present simple. He works at a hospital.
But the snowstorm makes today different. Today is a temporary change.
Exactly. So we switch to the snapshot tense, continuous. He is working from home today.
Okay, I really like that. He works is his permanent identity. He is working is just a temporary thing today.
The word home actually helps here too. Where you live is a great way to practice the home base rule.
How does that work?
Well, think about a permanent house. Your parents grew up in London. They have a house there. You say, my parents live in London. Present simple.
Because it's a permanent house. Got it.
But let's say you travel for the summer. You might say, I'm staying with my aunt this week, or I'm living with friends.
Oh, I'm using the ing verb. I'm staying.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's temporary. It's like a hotel.
Yes. Permanent house equals present simple. Temporary hotel stay equals present continuous.
House versus hotel. Calendar versus snapshot. That makes so much sense.
It really clears things up, right?
It does. But what if things are actively changing? Like the world doesn't always stand still.
That's true. Sometimes we talk about changes happening right now, and for that, we use the present continuous, even if the change is slow.
Oh, really? Give me an example of a slow change.
Like the number of people in the world. You say the population is increasing very fast.
It's increasing. That's the snapshot tense. But it takes years.
True. But the change itself is in progress right now, so it's continuous. But if you want to state a daily fact, you'd say, every day the population increases by 200,000.
Ah, the clue words. Every day. That makes it a routine. So we switch to simple. Increases.
Exactly. The clue words guide you.
Wait. Speaking of clue words, I am confused about something.
What is it?
We looked at the chart earlier. We said always is a calendar clue word. It belongs with the present simple tense.
Right, like I always eat an apple for lunch.
But in the intro, I said, you are always losing your keys. I used always with an ing verb. Is that a mistake?
Nope. That is actually a really cool rule breaker. It's the annoyance exception, or the too often rule.
The too often rule.
Yeah, think about it. Always is a permanent word, but an ing verb is temporary.
Yeah, they don't match.
Exactly. They clash. They create friction. And that grammar friction sounds exactly like the feeling of being annoyed.
Whoa! So we literally break the rules to show we are mad.
Pretty much. Let's compare two sentences. First one, I always go to work by car.
Simple verb. Go. Normal routine. No emotion.
Exactly. But second one, you're always losing your keys.
We used always with losing. It definitely sounds annoyed, like it happens way too often.
Yes. Let's practice this. You have a friend named Tom, right? Let's complain about Tom.
Oh, I love complaining about Tom. Let's do it.
I'll give you a dry fact. You turn it into an annoyed complaint using the too often rule. Ready?
I am so ready.
Fact 1. Tom lost his phone again.
Ugh. He's always losing his phone.
Perfect. Fact 2. Tom is late again.
Come on, Tom. He's always coming late.
Nice. Fact 3. Tom forgot his lunch.
Unbelievable. He's always forgetting his lunch.
You nailed it. Always. Plus, the ing verb means too often. It paints a clear picture. The person listening knows you are annoyed.
Complaining in English is super fun once you know the secret code.
It really is.
All right, you've heard the rules, you know the big secrets. Now, it is your turn. It's practice time.
Grab your mental pencil. We want you to play along with us.
I will read a sentence. You have to guess if the sentence is correct or wrong. Ready? Here is the first one. How often are you going to the dentist? Is that correct or wrong? 5-second pause.
That is wrong. How often asks about a habit? Habits belong on the calendar, so it should be present simple. How often do you go to the dentist?
Good job if you caught that. Okay, next one. Ben tries to find a job. Correct or wrong? 5-second pause.
That one is wrong too. Looking for a job is temporary. It's like the hotel rule. It should be continuous. Ben is trying to find a job.
Awesome. Here's another. Martina is phoning her mother every day. Correct or wrong? 5-second pause.
Wrong. The clue word is every day. That is a routine, so we need the simple calendar tense. Martina phones her mother every day.
Okay, try this one. It gets late. Correct or wrong? 5-second pause.
Wrong again. Getting late is a change happening right now. Look at the sky. You need the snapshot tense. It's getting late.
Last correct or wrong question. They're always arguing. Correct or wrong? 5-second pause.
This one is actually correct. It's the too often rule. They argue way too much. The speaker is annoyed. So always plus the ing verb is perfect.
Amazing. Now let's do a quick quiz. I will say a sentence with a blank. You fill in the right tense.
Put your thinking caps on.
Number 1. I usually blank hungry in the afternoon. The verb is get. Which tense? 5-second pause.
You should use get. Usually is a calendar word. It's a habit. Present simple. I usually get hungry in the afternoon.
Next. I blank hungry. Let's eat. The verb is get again. Which tense? 5-second pause.
You use am getting. You are hungry right now. Snap. Continuous tense. I am getting hungry.
Great. Number 3. The river Nile blank into the Mediterranean. The verb is flow. which tense? 5-second pause.
Flows, because it's a prominent fact of geography. Present simple. The River Nile flows into the Mediterranean.
But listen to this one. The river blank very fast today. The verb is flow, which tense? 5-second pause.
Uses flowing. The clue word is today. It's a temporary situation. Continuous tense. The river is flowing very fast today.
Number 5, Kate blank this week. The verb is not work, which tense? 5-second pause.
You use isn't working. This week is temporary, like a hotel stay, continuous tense. Kate isn't working this week.
Last one. Let's see if you can get a perfect score.
Yeah.
Nicola blank in Manchester, never moved. The verb is live, which tense? 5-second pause.
You use lives. She never moved. It's a permanent home base. Present simple. Nicola lives in Manchester.
Wow. If you played along, you are literally rewiring your brain.
You really are. You're doing great.
We covered so much ground today. Let's build our final cheat sheet to take away.
Yes, let's do it. I call this the decision rule. When you get stuck, just ask yourself 2 easy questions.
Question 1. Is it happening right now? If yes, use the snapshot tense. Continuous? If no, use the calendar tense. Simple.
Perfect. And question 2. Is it temporary or permanent? If it's a temporary hotel, use continuous. If it's a permanent house, use simple.
2 questions. That's all you need. Let's do our final summary. Present continuous is your snapshot. It's for NO, it's for temporary things, and don't forget, for annoyed complaints.
Right. Always plus ing. And then present simple is your calendar. It's for things in general. It's permanent. It's for routines and facts.
Master these, and you have total control over what you want to say.
Exactly. It's like having a superpower in English.
Okay, before we go, I want to give you a challenge, something to really think about.
Oh, I love a good challenge. What is it?
Tomorrow at school, I want you to look around. Look at your friends in the hallway. Think about what they are doing right now.
Are doing. The snapshot tense.
Yes. Maybe your friend is laughing. Maybe they are opening their locker. Then think about what they do every day.
Do, the calendar tense.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Try switching between the 2 tenses in your head as you walk down the hall. Just silently practice the secret code. He is wearing a red shirt today, but he usually wears blue.
That is such a cool way to practice. Real life is the best worksheet.
It really is. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive. You worked super hard today.
We are so proud of you.
Keep practicing. Keep listening. Your English is going to just keep getting better.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep taking those snapshots.